Asterisk asterisk making 2 lakh rupees per month. Learning and earning with digital marketing asterisk asterisk. Are you dreaming of financial independence and the flexibility to live life on your terms? With the power of digital marketing, turning that dream into reality is within reach. In today's digital age, opportunities abound for individuals to learn and earn through digital marketing, paving the way for lucrative income streams and a fulfilling career path. If you're ready to unlock the potential of digital marketing and make 2 lakh rupees per month, here's how you can get started. Asterisk asterisk 1. Invest in learning, asterisk asterisk. The first step towards achieving success in digital marketing is to invest in learning. Fortunately, there are numerous online courses, tutorials, and resources available that can help you acquire the knowledge and skills needed to excel in this field. From search engine optimization (SEO) to social media marketing, email marketing, content creation, and analytics, there's a wealth of information waiting to be explored. Asterisk asterisk 2. Specialize and focus, asterisk asterisk. Digital marketing is a broad field with various specializations. To maximize your earning potential, it's essential to identify your strengths and interests and specialize in a specific area of digital marketing. Whether it's SEO, paid advertising, social media management, content writing, or email marketing, focusing on a niche allows you to become an expert in your chosen field and command higher rates for your services. Asterisk asterisk 3. Build your brand, asterisk asterisk. As you embark on your digital marketing journey, don't forget to build your personal brand. Create a professional website, optimize your social media profiles, and showcase your expertise through blogs, case studies, and testimonials. Position yourself as a thought leader in your niche and demonstrate your value proposition to potential clients or employers. Asterisk asterisk 4. Network and collaborate, asterisk asterisk. Networking is crucial in the world of digital marketing. Connect with industry professionals, attend networking events, join online communities, and collaborate with fellow marketers to expand your network and uncover new opportunities. Building meaningful relationships and partnerships can open doors to high-paying projects, referrals, and collaborations that can significantly boost your income. Asterisk asterisk 5. Offer high-value services, asterisk asterisk. To command higher rates and make 2 lakh rupees per month, focus on offering high-value services that deliver tangible results to your clients. Whether it's helping businesses increase their website traffic, generate leads, boost sales, or improve their online presence, providing measurable value is key to earning top dollar as a digital marketer. Asterisk asterisk 6. Implement scalable strategies, asterisk asterisk. As your digital marketing business grows, focus on implementing scalable strategies that allow you to increase your income without necessarily increasing your workload. This could include outsourcing repetitive tasks, automating processes, or offering premium services and packages to high-end clients. Asterisk asterisk 7. Stay updated and adapt, asterisk asterisk. The digital marketing landscape is constantly evolving, with new trends, tools, and algorithms emerging regularly. Stay updated with the latest industry developments, attend webinars, workshops, and conferences, and continuously invest in your professional development to stay ahead of the curve. By remaining adaptable and embracing change, you'll position yourself for long-term success in the ever-changing world of digital marketing. Asterisk asterisk ready to make 2 lakh rupees per month. Asterisk asterisk. If you're ready to turn your digital marketing skills into a lucrative income stream, we're here to help. Contact us at +91 9864170343 or +91 9864855058 for a free consultation. Our team of experts will provide personalized guidance, mentorship, and support to help you achieve your financial goals through digital marketing. Don't wait any longer, start your journey towards financial freedom and success today. Asterisk asterisk conclusion, asterisk asterisk. Making 2 lakh rupees per month with digital marketing is not just a dream, it's a tangible goal that you can achieve with the right mindset, skills, and strategies. By investing in learning, specializing in a niche, building your brand, networking, offering high-value services, implementing scalable strategies, and staying updated with industry trends, you can pave the way for a lucrative career and financial independence in the exciting world of digital marketing. Are you ready to take the plunge? The journey begins now. इंट्रोडक्शन इंडिया हिंदी। नमस्ते दोस्तों, आपका स्वागत है हमारे YouTube चैनल डिजिटल मार्केटिंग की दुनिया में। मैं हूं दुर्लभ साकिया और मैं एक 7 साल के अनुभव से भरपूर डिजिटल मार्केटिंग विशेषज्ञ हूं। इट कंपनियों में काम करने का भी अनुभव रखता हूँ और यहाँ हूँ ताकि आपको डिजिटल मार्केटिंग की दुनिया में लेटेस्ट टिप्स, ट्रिक्स और समाचार मिल सकें। ग्लोब *** English ***. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Digital Marketing की दुनिया. I am Turlav Sakia, a seasoned digital marketing professional with 7 years of experience. Bringing insights from my experience in IT companies, I am here to share the latest tips, tricks, and news from the world of digital marketing with you.
थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग। नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं आप सभी का धन्यवाद करना चाहता हूं जिन्होंने मेरे YouTube वीडियो को देखा और पसंद किया। मैं बहुत खुश हूं कि आप लोगों को मेरा वीडियो पसंद आया। यह मेरे लिए बहुत मायने रखता है। मैंने इस वीडियो को बनाने में बहुत मेहनत की है। मैं चाहता था कि यह एक ऐसा वीडियो हो जो लोगों को कुछ नया सिखाए और उन्हें कुछ रोमांचक सिखाए। मुझे खुशी है कि मैंने ऐसा कर पाया। मैं आप सभी से अनुरोध करता हूं कि कृपया मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और मेरे वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर करें। मैं आपके समर्थन के लिए बहुत आभारी हूं। धन्यवाद।